up, guys and gals? Welcome back to my itty bitty little automotive channel. I'm working on the 308 today, and I'm gonna replace the front headlights. I'm gonna upgrade those and put an LED bulb in them. Hopefully, I will be able to see a whole lot farther than roughly the 6 or 7 feet that I can see now. So all I did was turn the lights on, and I got them to pop up, and then I pulled my negative battery cable. That way, the lights aren't just staying on while I'm working on this stuff. It's the only way I could figure out how to get the lights to actually turn off with them, still in the up position. All right, we have a special guest in the shop today. Looks like Roxy has come to hang out and see what's going on. Hi, baby. All right, let's get started. Bless you. Well, hello, yes. I don't know how I'm gonna get much work done. So this is the kit that I ordered, 7-inch H4 bulb, and then I did not use the bulb that came with it. I am using these LED, and this one it's called Truland is the brand or company that sells it. And you just stick it in there, clip it in, and we're gonna plug this in, and we should be good to go. It's got a little fan on the back, that's pretty neat. Well, I'm an idiot, and if you've done this project before or something very similar, then you've already figured out that I'm an idiot by the way I was doing this, and I'll show you exactly what I just did wrong, and I can't believe it didn't dawn on me sooner, but c'est la vie. I pulled this entire assembly out using the 2 Phillips heads and the nut on the back side of this bottom one, which I thought was an odd design. Why would they do that? Because it's really difficult to get to. And I was sticking my hand up underneath here with a wrench and, trying to get it off on the back side. That is not the right way to do it. 2 screws on this side, 2 screws on that side. The front face comes off. The light is still in here. You want to loosen, where are they at? This one, and that one. You can turn the little trim ring thing, pop that out, and the headlight comes out. And that's all you have to do. So here's your pro tip for this video. Watch the video all the way through, and the person making the video will show you the easiest way to do it after they have struggled trying to figure it out. Something else to take into consideration, I put a piece of blue painter's tape here because of this little screw right there. I didn't want to damage the paint. And just kind of lift this thing up with your hand. This one's a little tricky to get to. Maybe it's just on my car. We can see there's the old one and there's the new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect the battery and see how we do. Wow, what a difference. Look at that. My other side's not even coming on right now, but trust me, it sucked. Survey says, yeah, that's gonna be nice. Look at that. Will you look at that? When I see lights bright like this, I just gotta say, would you look at that? Look at that. So here are the part numbers on the boxes for the headlights and for the LEDs that I put inside the headlights. And you can find them on Amazon. I think altogether, I spent about 160 bucks total. That was actually a super easy project. So on a scale of 1 to pain in the ass, this is probably a 2. A 1 would be something like replacing a fuse. 4 screws, pull off the front housing of the headlight. 3 screws, pull off the little trim ring. And you don't even have to take the screws out, you just loosen them, twist the trim ring, and it will pop off. Remove the light, unplug it, plug the new one in, reverse, and you're good to go. The passenger side, once I figured out what I was doing wrong on the driver's side, took me maybe 5 minutes. So if you're doing it correctly and you've watched this video all the way through and you know what not to do, you should be able to install these new lights in your car in, let's say, 15 minutes. Thanks for watching. Stay hungry, stay foolish.